Upon launching Minecraft, I encountered an error. When attempting to open the Minecraft launcher on Windows 10, I received an error message stating, "Check your account. Minecraft launcher is currently not available in your account." To resolve this issue, it's essential to understand that there are two versions of Minecraft available: Java Edition and Windows 10 Edition. If you've already purchased Minecraft, you'll find a download button on the website. However, if you navigate to the Windows Edition, it prompts you to buy the game again. This might seem confusing, but there's a workaround. Starting from December 1st, 2020, you need a Microsoft account to buy and play Minecraft Java Edition. To bypass this, go to the Microsoft Store and search for Minecraft Launcher. In the Microsoft Store, you'll find the Minecraft Launcher. Here you'll have the option to play or get it. Clicking play will lead to the same error message. Instead, click get. After pressing get, it refreshes your installation. Once done, you can click play again, and the launcher will function properly. Now, you can log in with either your Microsoft account or your Mojang account. Once logged in, you can click on play. If this information was helpful, consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.